Welcome back. It's time for the business day. Shareholders of lighting company Fosrich have agreed to a number of possible avenues for the company to raise capital. At the company's annual general meeting on Tuesday, approval was granted for a stock split. At the close of business on July 27, each Fosrich share will be subdivided into 10 ordinary shares. This will result in the total issued share capital of the company being increased from 502.3 million ordinary shares to 5 billion. Shareholders also approved the option of a rights issue or additional public offering. And an associated company of Fosrich, Blue Emerald Limited, has been given the green light by the Special Economic Zone Authority to operate as a single entity developer. The application was recently approved by the Industry Ministry. The operating certificate was subsequently issued after the signing of a Jamaica Special Economic Zone Authority license agreement. The local company Regency Petroleum Limited, RPL, is looking to raise funds via the capital market. GK Capital Markets will act as its financial advisor. Regency Petroleum says the engagement with GK will likely result in an initial public offer of ordinary shares via the Jamaica Stock Exchange. Regency Petroleum is licensed to distribute bulk petroleum products. Dollar Financial Services recorded an increase in profit during the second quarter, which ended June. The recently listed microlender made a net profit of $59.3 million. That was up from $9.1 million during the same period in 2021. Dollar Financial's total income for the quarter was $103 million higher at $157 million. Year-to-date earnings were $298 million. Dollar Financial says it is confident that growth will continue for the remaining quarter, especially as the company expanded into Guyana. The U.S. currency is being sold for an average $153.33. $124.20 is the going rate for the Canadian dollar, $182.19 for the pound, and $159.37 for the euro. On the stock exchange, the JSE index declined by 1,440 points today, while the junior market index advanced by 29 points. Among the winners were 138 Student Living Jamaica Variable Preference Shares, Cygnus Real Estate Financial Jamaican Dollar Shares, the Limna and Bards, Iron Rock Insurance Company, and G West Corporation. Among the losers, Margaritaville Turks, MPC Caribbean Clean Energy, JMMB Group 7.5%, Victoria Mutual Investments, and Radio Jamaica.